Yep. All right, let's go to the 4th floor. Otis, huh? Or no?
I don't think it's some mobile company.
Yeah, this seems generic, non-proprietary.
The chime's weird. It's the only time I think I've heard it.
Yeah.
Let's see if the rear door.
Yeah, no, that's just a generic voice. I heard the voice, and my first thought was, I don't know, is that the Otis voice? But
No, that's what you'll hear on like Schindler.
screw it.
With like, you know, the bad Schindlers going in.
Yeah. I could probably find out on records what this is, because this is pretty new, I imagine.
I can check actually.
If PA records are up again,
They are.
and they were down.
Which one? Oh, did you check recently? Yeah, service unavailable.
Yeah, it went down. Checked it on Friday night, and I was like,
Oh, you checked more recent. Yeah, it is still down.
I was up on like Thursday. I figured, oh, went down. It's probably not back up until Monday.
Yeah, it interferes a little bit when you have a weekend plan. You want to know what brand stuff is, but
That's it.